I made this card today for my mom. I'm going to miss her so much. And so today I decided to pull out a beautiful floral stamp set since flowers were one of her favorite things, and just do as many flowers as I possibly could. So I just absolutely covered this entire piece of cardstock with different flower images with an array of colors. I chose pinks and purples and yellows and then some different greens. I will have all of the colors that I chose listed on my website with this project. So you can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have it all listed there for you. But I used the Textured Floral stamp set today, and as you can see, I just keep stamping. I loved the sentiment in this set, which again, this is for my mom, and so the sentiment says, "Every thought of you makes me smile." And since she's only been gone a couple of days, that's all I'm doing is I'm thinking about her all the time, and I already miss her like crazy. So I'm layering up some greenery on here, just kind of trying to fill in those blank spots. I just really wanted it to be full, just full, 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 every spot full on there. Now this is kind of basically like using a piece of designer series paper, which I could have done too, but I'm just stamping. I'm just doing some stamping and enjoying the art, you know, just having fun. I don't know about you, but creativity and creating helps calm me, helps just bring me a sense of just calmness, and I love creating. I love spending some quiet time in my craft room just working with stamps, ink, and paper. So that is what I'm doing here. Look how pretty that turned out. So look at this beautiful sentiment. This sentiment is in the stamp set, and it's just absolutely perfect for my mom. So I am cutting the edges here, and then I'm going to add this on with some dimensionals. And then I'm going to pull out my bow punch and add some greenery behind the sentiment, just to give it a little something. This is soft seafoam green paper. And then I'm using the lemon lolly for some of those little smaller, the top of that punch there has a little bit of a smaller greenery piece. And then I'm layering it onto a card base that is Bubble Bath, that pink color. So see here, I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal and then add the greenery onto there from my punches. And then I will add the sentiment on with Stampin' Dimensionals so that it pops it up a little bit from the back of the card. And then I decided to use a lot of different, well, 2 different gems on here. I had to do some butterflies because of all the flowers. And then I also did some of the iridescent pearls, which just give a little bit of shine. Now I might go back in here and use my Wink of Stella glitter pen and make some of these flowers shimmer and shine. I think that would be pretty. But here it is. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again so much for all your kind words about the loss of my mom this week. I appreciate you so much. Have a great day.